In this video, we're going to talk about how you can delete order history on Doordash. So I'm going to show you two methods. For the first one, we will just open up the Doordash application. And once we have the app open, we're going to click on Me in the bottom right corner. So from here, we will go into the settings, and then we want to select Get Help. Here, you will be able to see all of your orders. And what we want to do is just select the order which we want to delete and then contact support for it. You can contact support requesting to be forgotten, right to be forgotten, and then they can hopefully assist you with deleting the specific order. Now, one more way of how you can do this, again from the settings, you will see Manage Account. Update information and manage your account. If we select it, here you will see request an archive of your personal data or delete your account. So we're just going to click on manage account, and here we can log in with our email, and again we will request an archive of our data so we don't have our order show up on our page. So I hope this was informative. Leave a like and sub if it was, and I'll see you next time.